Managers often struggle when they have multiple manufacturing locations or trying to find out how the energy performance indicators across different locations are behaving. So what we've done, a simple addition on to the current dashboard, management dashboard that we have on NView, is we've got this visual indication on energy performance indicators. Mind you, this is not just on the basic energy details. It looks into your historical performance. It updates that for all the data that you've entered till date, what's your indication of your consistency index? How is a particular indicator been behaving across the time frame you've entered the data? And that's a fair enough indication on where to act, what are the areas which probably could slide to the red zone, and the areas which don't need a lot of attention and are doing well. So this is simple change, but goes a long way in helping the CXOs understand the overall situation of a plant performance in terms of energy efficiency and management in just a matter of few seconds.